Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Good. Yes kids, I am fine too. मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हूँ. So kids, can you see anything on the table? आपको टेबल पे कुछ नज़र आ रहा है? Yes. These are so many colorful things. You must be thinking these things are the same as we have done the activity yesterday. ऐसे ही है ना, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये चीज़ें बिल्कुल वैसी लग रही हैं, थोड़ी सी बस डिफरेंट है, बाकी सब चीज़ें वैसी हैं जो हमने कल एक्टिविटी की थी. रिमेंबर दैट एक्टिविटी व्हाट वी हैव डन yesterday? डू यू रिमेंबर? आपको याद है कल हमने क्या किया था, कौन सी एक्टिविटी की थी? यस, वेरी गुड. वी हैव एडेड वन मोर एंड देन आफ्टर दैट वी काउंट देम एंड देन हाउ मेनी नाउ. हमने क्या किया था? सबसे पहले एक चीज़ थी हमारे पास, उसमें एक और ऐड किया था और फिर हमने बताया था कि अब वो कितनी हो गई हैं. Remember that? Okay, let me revise it again. एक दफ़ा फिर से मैं आपको दोहरा देती हूँ कि क्या किया था हमने. Just like this, we have one pencil. हमारे पास एक पेंसिल थी ना. Then what we did, we add one more. हमने एक और ऐड किया था. Then we count them. कैसे काउंट किया था? 1 2 1 and 2 and how many now? अब ये कितनी बन गई थी? 2. We have now 2 pencils. ऐसे की थी ना ये वाली एक्टिविटी. So kids, today we are going to do the same activity, but in this activity we have already sets of 2. इस एक्टिविटी में हम फिर से वही वाली एक्टिविटी करेंगे, बट द डिफरेंस इज वी हैव ऑलरेडी सेट्स ऑफ 2. हमारे पास ऑलरेडी क्या है? जी हाँ, हमारे पास 2 ऑलरेडी हैं. 2 पेंसिल्स, 2 पिक्चर्स, 2 लायंस, एलिफेंट्स, कैट्स, 2 फ्लावर्स एंड वी हैव न्यू गेस्ट, पेंगुइन्स. यस. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? Now we are going to add one more. अब हम इसमें क्या करने जा रहे हैं? अब हम इन sets of 2 में एक और ऐड करेंगे हर चीज़ में. And then we will count how many now. Okay? What we are going to do? We will add one more in this set. ये हमारे पास जो set है ना, ऑलरेडी सेट बने हुए हैं, इसमें हम एक और ऐड करेंगे. And then we will see how many now. ठीक है जी? Got it? Good. So we will start from the pencils. Okay kids? हम कहाँ से start करेंगे? पेंसिल से start करेंगे. We will add one more in this set and then we will count, and after count we will see how many now. काउंट करने के बाद हम देखेंगे कि अब ये कितनी है. ठीक है? रेडी? ओके. सो हियर वी हैव 1 and 2 pencils. Count with me. 1 2 and now we are going to add another pink pencil in this set. So how many now? 1 2 and 3. How many now? Yes, 1 2 3. We have 3 now. Good. And here again we have sets of 2 green pencils. Let's count with me. 1 2 1 2 1 2. We have 2 pencils here. And now I'm going to add one more. एक और ऐड करते हैं इसमें. How many now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we have sets of 3. We have 3 pink and 3 green pencils now. Here we have 2 blue pencils. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And now we are going to add one more. How many now? अब कितनी है हमारे पास? Okay, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 now. 1, 2, and 3. Good. So kids, here we have another set of 2 orange pencils. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now we are going to add another orange pencil. एक और orange pencil इसमें ऐड करेंगे. How many now? 1. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So kids, we have 3 pencils here. So these are the sets of pencils. As you can see, we have these sets of pencils. So now you will make the sets of the rest of the pictures. अब आप मेरे साथ इन pictures के sets बनवाएंगे. As we have these, you can see, we have these lions, penguins, elephants, flower, and cats. Okay. So kids, here we have 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 lions. And now we are going to add one more. How many now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 lions. Okay. And how many cats do we have now? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And now we are going to add one more. ये देखिए. We have added this one. एक और ऐड कर लिए. How many now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So kids, how many now? How many cats do we have now? Yes, we have 3 cats. 3 cats. And now it's turn. Elephant turn. अब देखते हैं हम हमारे पास elephants कितने हैं. 1, 2. 1, 2. So now we are going to add another one. How many now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 elephants now. How many elephants we have? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have 3 now. Okay. So kids, here we have two flowers. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And now we are going to add one more in it. How many now? How many now? आप बताएं अब कितने हो गए? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So kids, now we have 3 flowers. How many flowers do we have now? Yes, we have 3 flowers. So our last set is the set of 2 penguins. How many penguins? Yes, we have 2 penguins here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, how many do we have? Do we added in this group? Yes, we are going to add one more. कितने इसमें ऐड करने चाह रहे हैं हम? Yes, one more. One, 2, 3. We have 3 now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So kids, as you can see, now we have made the sets of 3. We have added one more in the sets of 2, and then now these are 3. We have 3 flowers, 3 penguins, 3 lions, 3 elephants, and 3 cats. And here we have sets of pencils, 3 orange, 3 blue, 3 green, and 3 pink. So this is all about today's activity. I hope you like this. आपको अच्छी लगी है activity? It's very easy. Again, I am telling you that you can do this activity with your toys. किस चीज़ से आप ये activity घर में कर सकते हैं? With your toys, with your color pencils, with anything, with spoons even. ठीक है, आप ये अपनी एक्टिविटी जो है घर में किसी चीज़ से भी कर सकते हैं. Right? Good. So kids, now we are going to solve our math book 2 page 2. In this page, what we are going to do, we are going to write 3 here. पहले आपने सबसे पहले 3 लिखना है. You are already doing the practice of number 3. कर रहे हैं ना practice? We have already done number 0 to 10. So now what you are going to do? You are going to write 3 here. यहाँ पे आपने 3 लिखना है. And then after this, here you have to draw one more. जैसे अभी हमने लास्ट पेज में भी किया था ना, वहाँ पे हमारे पास एक चीज़ थी और उसमें हमने एक और ड्रॉ किया था. Here we have 2 things. Here we have 2 houses. And in these 2 houses you have to draw one more. यहाँ पे एक और हाउस ड्रॉ करना है. I'm doing one for you. And then color it जब आप फ्री हो तो इसमें आप कलर भी कर लें एंड देन यू हैव टू काउंट इट. हाउ मेनी नाउ? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. अब हमारे पास ये कितने हो गए हैं? वी हैव 3. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट नंबर 3 here. So this is how we will complete this page. So kids, I hope you liked today's class. Enjoy किया आपने? Yes, good, very good. So now do the same activity at your home and solve this page and send it to me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.